There's a brand new drone show running twice a night at Disney Springs. While it can be seen from the east side near Rainforest Cafe, the best viewing is the waterfront on the west side by Summerhouse. Have a seat with us from the bridge to catch a preview of what to expect of the 9-minute show.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Second star to the right and straight on till morning.
The ninth wonder of the universe! The world's only flying elephant! Dumbo! Look! They're flying! They're flying! Wait till we get to the big town!
Balls, damn.
The wilderness must be explored!
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide! Who's a good spirit guide? You are! Whoa!
Better for the grass. Can't make that things.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Coming in, point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in. Primary ignition.
Use the force. The force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's blow this thing and go home.
The force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax wins. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Drone down, drone
Hey,
down.
you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Starlight.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not.
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy.
Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity and beyond.